All right. First and foremost, we got praises and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rakakadash, double unto the apostle, editors, GMS. Citation to your brother, push your word with truth. Truth to the 74 corners. On the brother Topsman from GMS Mississippi Camp. The good lesson tonight. Um, this video I got off Instagram, and this guy Tate Reed. No, he ain't Tate Reed. It's he not Take some. It's one of them guys. He's a video in I think YouTube from something like that. A content creator. Uh, and then take Andrew, I guess that's his name. I guess. Let me see. Is that right? Let me see. I said Tate Reed. Yeah, Andrew Tate. I mean, it's like his name Andrew Tate, and what he's saying is true. This is what coming. All right, but everybody think it's cool to have. Uh, Everybody gonna be thinking cool to have no cash, no no credit cards, electric cars. Uh, how life gonna be easier, but guess what? That's a price though. The leaks behind this too, but like everybody think it's all cool though, but there's a catch really. The people that run the world, they wanted to be this way. They want you to depend on them. But they gonna make it they gonna make it sound good. They gonna bun it up real good, wrap it up real good. But behind, but they know. Uh, they know if we depend on us, they got you. They gonna have you by your balls. All right. But Esau just can't. Hey, the least, hey, they know what they're doing. They gonna wrap it up so good, so make and people gonna fall easy. All right. Esau wanna be, uh, um, basically he wanna be God. To be honest with you, that's how he think. The shit he do, he feel like that he's God and no one else, and he feel like the Yahweh didn't do nothing right. He feel like he could do it better, in which he's wrong. Right, but this is but this how Esau move. This how he think. He want full control of everything. All right, let me get this let me get this precept. This is Habakkuk 2 and 4. Behold, his soul which is lifted up is not right in him, but the just shall live by his faith. Verse 5. Yea, also because he transgressed by wine, he's a proud man, can never keep it at home. He enlarges himself, he enlarges his desire as hell, and as a death, he can't be satisfied. But he gathered unto him all nation, and heap unto him all people. That's what he want. That's his whole job. Not his whole job. That's his whole purpose. To have about everyone on his foot. All right. So he could be. He think he want to be God. He want to control people's mind, thoughts, and whatever, food, whatever. All right, but this is the video.
I don't know how else to say this to you people at home. These are the last years of freedom. We're going to have electric cars, which will be zone controlled, which will turn off when you go into the wrong zone. We're going to have money, which they control completely and absolutely, CBDCs, which they can freeze at any moment, or only allow you to spend it on certain things. This is the beginning of the absolute end. We're entering complete tyranny and slavery. Nobody seems to give a shit. And you're all just sitting there going, yeah, well, I don't have time. I'm just going to play video games. Like, you're just walking into slavery, just waiting to die. I don't know how else to say.
Yeah, and most folks like that. Oh, you walk around having no care. And that's why a lot of them it's gonna be easy for them to take what? The MOTB. Like I said, they will control your money, control your whereabouts. Hey, you have electric car, guess what? They cut this zone off. Cause the electric go, you can do this, your phone. They gonna have control of everything. And you got control of the money, of the food. Hey, you got everybody. You have control of the money and the food. Guess what? You got everybody. This is cause it's all started the New World Order. This is all about New World Order. In Revelation 13 and 15. And he had the power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast shall both speak, and cause it that as many as would not worship the image of the beast shall be killed. If you ain't down this society, his philosophies, his democracies, guess what? Or take his MOTB, guess what? You may be put to death. You're gonna be excluded from this place, from this place, this world. Verse 16. And he caused all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads. All right, to receive a mark, which is the karama. This is what it is. The MOTB, you can receive that. All right. In the right hand or the forehead. So it don't matter what hand you get, no matter where you get it at. You're going to receive it. Especially if you're down with this system. Verse 17. That no man may buy or sell. If you ain't got it, you can't buy shit or sell shit. Alright? Save it he that had the mark or the name of the beast or the name of his name. Alright? So Esau want to have everything under his foot, man. Everything and everybody. Electric cars. No more dollar. no more physical money. Everything's going digital. If you get like I said, you got the money, food, you control everything. And our people gonna take it with no problem. When hunger strike, people do anything to feed themselves, man. But like I said, people out here know, you walk in right into slavery. But everybody think it's all good. But it's Esau, like I said, like what the scripture say, what was in his heart. He got some slick shit, but she got some slick shit in the back of his mind. What he gonna do? All right. They just quit lesson tonight. Y'all brothers, sisters, stay strong. We almost on. They got praises and glory to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim, Kakadash, Double to Apostle Ellis, the GMS, and salutation to your brother, push word of truth. Truth is sincerity, Shalom.